ePayPolicy integrates with NowCerts to make your payment processing seamless. It's really as easy as 1, 2, 3. In the NowCerts dashboard, you can go to the insured's details in the toolbar, click Documents at the top, and select Invoices and Receipts. From there, you will be able to view due invoices and select Take Payment with ePayPolicy. A form will pop up where you will be able to enter the payment details. Another option is to send an invoice to the insured so that they can securely make a payment through ePayPolicy. From the invoice page, hit Send and select ePayPolicy as the payment processor. Your invoice is sent to the insured's email where they can click Pay, fill out their details, and submit the payment. After the client pays, you and the client will receive an e-receipt displaying the details of the payment. This information will also be accessible within the ePayPolicy dashboard. Streamline your receivables and bind policies faster. Trust me, your accounting team will love this. Contact us to learn more about NowCerts Integration today.